Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the VEGA Miss Versatile Styling Set. This particular set has a straightener, a curler and a dryer. This is a very good gift combo. A lot of features are there on the box. Over here it's written that this particular straightener has ceramic coated plates, 19mm barrel diameter, and the dryer is a 1000-watt dryer. This side, some more similar information: ceramic coated plates, 19mm barrel diameter, foldable handle for the dryer again, two heat speed settings for the dryer, and a 360-degree swivel cord. Okay, similar stuff on this side as well. A lot of information over here. This versatile hair straightener. So basically, the straightener, all the specifications of the straightener, the curler, and the dryer. Other features include, for the straightener, that is ceramic coated plates as mentioned earlier, power indicator light, easy lock system, and a 360-degree swivel cord. For the dryer, there is a 2 heat speed settings, foldable handle, and a cord guard with hanging loop. Let's open this box and see and take a look at the components inside. There's some documents right on the top. This is a warranty card, and this is a user manual for the curler. Let's leave this here. This is, of course, this is the VEGA Miss Versatile hair dryer. This is 220 volts and 1000 to 1200 watts. This is a foldable handle as mentioned earlier. Comes with a nice black and chrome color combination. Moving on, let's go back to the box. Next we have, this is basically the curler. This is the curler. Once again, this has a ceramic coated plating right over here. And what else do we have? This is basically the clamp to hold the hair in place. I'll show you, give you a better look. This is the clamp to hold the hair in place. It has a very nice finish to it. Once again, has a black and chrome color combination. Makes it look very classy as well. This is the 360-degree swivel cord, which is very handy for such equipments, for such tools. I'm going to leave this here as well and go back to the box. There should be more stuff here. This is a user manual for the straightener. And this is the user manual for the hair dryer, which leaves us with the hair straightener. I'll give you a closer look at the straightener. This is what the straightener looks like. There you go. You can check the VEGA. You can check the VEGA logo on top. There you go. The VEGA logo over here. So this is a lock system that comes with this particular device. This is basically for storage purposes, no other reason. And you also have the 360-degree swivel cord, which is a great addition. So this is how you lock the straightener. You hold the two ends, hold this one end like this, and you press this switch over here, and that's it. Now your straightener is locked. This is what you will find inside the box containing the VEGA Miss Versatile Styling Set gift combo. Thank you for watching.